Let me show you how to use the overvoltage protection magazine. It is a 5-pair modular design magazine. First, insert the wire through the disconnection block. Then use the insertion tool to connect the wire with the block, and cut the extra wire. The other wires are also installed in this way. By the way, 5 pairs overvoltage protection magazine TP1503-5 is used for MDF disconnection block 71, which runs the protection circuit for the protection of exchange room equipment and personnel against overvoltage. Finally, insert the overvoltage protection magazines into the block. Moreover, the housing of the magazine is flame retardant, high temperature resistance, and aging resistance. It's completed. Thanks for watching.
The Apple, your partner in growth.